Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Word can't delete blank page. To start, open the Word document and validate the blank page to delete. As a first option, place the cursor on the last line of the word on the sheet with text. Now press the delete key to delete the blank sheet. Another option you can use is to place the sheet blank. After this, in the Start menu, click on Show Hide. Finally, select all the elements on the blank sheet and pressing delete will delete the blank sheet. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.